Welcome to the Furry Friends Rock Art Camp. I'm Patty Rokas, your camp director, and you already knew that, huh? Because this week we're doing the family, and you already learned how to make yourself and your family out of rocks and pebbles. And then we did the whole section on line art where you got to use a marker to draw the arms and legs and make different things with the rocks. So I thought that was so much fun. Well, today is going to be one of my favorite days of all because of how it makes me feel. The only thing in life that can make you feel this good is when you serve other people or help other people out. And today we get to do that. We're going to use our art to bless somebody else's life. We're going to use our art to help somebody else feel happier and to feel connected and loved. So what we're going to do, oh, this is so much fun. We're going to do a new piece of art. You could use one that you've already done if you want, but I'm going to do a brand new piece of art. I am going to depict the family of my friend. So I have a friend who's a mom, and she has, guess how many kids she has? How many did you guess? She has 7 kids. Isn't that amazing? So there's 7, plus herself makes 8, plus her husband makes 9. So there's 9 people in their family. So I'm going to go make a beautiful piece of art with rocks with 9 people in it. And then after I'm done, I'm going to take a picture of it and text it to her and tell her that I think her family rocks in the text. And then I'm going to do something really, really fun, and you guys get to do it too. I'm going to take all those rocks and I'm going to scramble them up and put them in a baggie, and then I'm going to run over to her house and I'm going to put them on the doorstep, and then I'm going to run away. And then when they come out and see the gift of the rock bag, and then I tell them in the text that they get to make the picture that I made in the text, they get to make it out of their bag of rocks, like a puzzle. It's just like a puzzle. So they can make it, and then we'll have this connection where I've served them and I've brought them some joy to their family. Now, they also will be invited to do the same thing for another family. So after they've made their beautiful picture, then they're gonna think of a family that they like and that they want to do a gift for, and they're going to make that family in rocks, take a picture, send it to them, and then scramble up the rocks and put them in a bag and give it to them. And then maybe this will just keep happening at family after family after family. Wouldn't that just be so amazing if our one act of helping one family ended up helping lots and lots of families, just to feel good and feel more connected and loved. Everybody needs to have a friend, and everybody needs to feel connected to somebody else. And this is one way we can do that. So I'll see you in just a minute, because I'm going to go run and make that rock art piece for that family and text it to them. Let's go. Okay, I just made the family rock art, and it looks so cute with the 9 people in that family, and then it's gonna go over to Holly's house for her family. So I took a picture of the rock art. I just went down on it, click, and then I texted it off to Holly so that she could see the picture that she's going to have to recreate with the rocks. And here are all the rocks for the family, and I wrote her name on it, Holly's Sweet Family, and it has all 9 people in this little baggie. So this is like her puzzle for her to put together with all the kids. So I just need to give her a little gift bag and drop it off on her doorstep. I could just use this and put that on the doorstep, but I like to make things look nice. So I'll put this in here, and this is the stick that I put the family on. And because I don't have a colorful bag, I thought I'd put some ribbon on it. I don't always have ribbon, but it's fun when you do. It makes things look really pretty. So I thought I'd just tie up the bag. And then there's one more thing that goes in the bag, and that is the little note that tells her what to do with it. So we have the little note for you to download and print out. And on it, it tells her what we're doing, that Family Rocks, that's the title of it. And then it tells her that she could make one for a friend and take a picture and do exactly what we're doing. I just printed out my little tags that I'm going to put inside of my rock bags. Well, this is gonna be fun. I'm just gonna tear these in half after I print it all on my printer, and I'll stick it in the rock bag, and then my family will know what to do with their rocks. So how's that? Is that kind of pretty? Look at that, that's kind of pretty. So she'll know because it has a bow that it's a gift. Because if I had a colorful bag, then she'd know. So let's go take this and put it on her doorstep and see what they think. And then hopefully they'll open it up and pour out the rocks and remake the picture that we made. So we can do this for as many families as we want. And in this case, there were 9, so it took me a long time to make that piece of art. But what if I just did it for a friend? I could just do it for one friend and maybe have me and the friend there, 2 people, rocks, and do exactly the same thing. Take a picture, text it to my friend, and then take the bag over and put it on her doorstep as a surprise. So I think that'll be so fun. Did you just see what I saw? Critter there. I think the kittens are out playing. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll show you what it looks like when we go over to the neighbor's house.
There's the paper that tells us your family rocks, and so do you. Pass the rocks off to a friend and see what love can do. Okay, so we're going to put the rocks together like that picture that she sent us. So I'll show you the picture. And then we're going to see if we can make it the same. Let's see. So
Hey, we did it! Did you see how much fun that family had recreating the rock art that I created? It's so much fun. Hey, little girl. Okay. So are you ready to do this? All you have to do is choose somebody that you're going to share with, make your piece of rock art, and give it to them. You want to take a picture so they know how to do the puzzle, but it's so much fun. So I hope you'll do it. And if you can, post what you create on social, like our Facebook page, Rock Art Camp, or our Facebook group, Rock Art Camp, or just post it anywhere with the hashtag Rock Art Camp, and then we'll get to see what you have created. So thanks for joining us today. I hope you feel the peace and the love inside of when you serve others, then your whole feeling changes and you feel good about yourself and good about the world and happy to be here. So serve as much as you can, and rock art's a really fun way to do that. Okay, until next time, see you later, and just remember, you rock.